your experience and the things that have shaped you. I dare you to ask yourself, what do you bring to the table?
So
And that's where
let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
Discussing different plans to make all you understand we have to
Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it.
No matter who you are, just taking this food for thought we at the lunch table.
Davey J the Virgo.
That's it right there.
Yes, I does the blessing. I does the blessing. Father God blessing. 12 more blessing. I does the blessing. I does the blessing. Them can't stop me. I am blessed. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed.
Hello and welcome to the lunch table. We are here at Tulsa University for the ADC Explosion Showcase. My name is Davey J the Virgo, and I'm here to show you all before, during, and after the performance.
What
do you expect when you come to an ADC Explosion?
Well, since I've been here for 4 years, I really expect it to be popping every year. Like, it has to be lit every time. It has to be fun. Like, it has to give me that vibe of, like, bringing me to Africa.
That's a nice sash you have on. Where'd you get the sash? Show the camera your sash. Is HU Howard? HU is Howard University? Oh, wow, you came all the way from Howard University. That's great. This must be a great show to come all the way from Howard University. What do you expect when you come to an ADC showcase?
I'm expecting a lot of high fashion, you know, a lot of beautiful dances, beautiful women, beautiful people.
Beautiful women, you like that, don't you? The beautiful women in Africa. I like it, I like it.
Judgment for them, for 10 years, me I make it. Someday I had to sit down, but me a tour. Hands up from you, now bow stand. Well, I make me big up me friend them. Live up your rhythm, it have a prayer. Irish and chin, no worry, everything's
that this grace is worth glancing at twice when rain meets a sunny day. How this outro fades like...
So what are we expecting from the show today?
I think a lot of crowd interactions.
Yeah, we have like a lot of cool scenes. Like everybody's used to like a typical modeling fashion show, but we put like a twist to everything. So there's like acting and modeling going on. So it's like, it's fancy.
We're taking modeling off the stage.
I like where you rotate, baby you rotate. For now make you see I'm new in town. Because of you girl I relocate, make you relocate. Now you are the look I'm new.
We're like really proud of our girls because they've never modeled before. So these are like fresh models, and so we're just really excited for them to get out there and experience their first modeling show ever. So,
because of you girl I relocate, baby you rotate. Now you are the look.
For your informate, come make I give you the update.
girls we educate.
What does ADC exactly stand for?
ADC stands for the African Diaspora Club here at Towson University.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So what exactly did this show do for you and your members and the guests that come and be a part of it?
Well, our main purpose is to showcase what Africa has to offer. So we have talent and fashion and skits and everything. So what it does for our members and for Towson University as a whole is show them what we're capable of doing and what we came from.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
definitely. Well, I'm very excited to be a part of the show.
We're happy to have you.
We can't wait to get in there and see more. All right.
Well, I think Mr. Idris Elba has something to tell you. I will leave you two alone. Wait.
What's up, Idris? Hey, everybody. So you know I care about you, right?
Yeah, we've known each other for a long time. You're so weird. I know. I love you too.
I don't speak Chinese. I don't understand what you just know.
I'm a baby.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get out of here for real. I'm saying get out of here for real.
I've never seen so much talent and enthusiasm in one room.
Excuse me, what do you want? Eh? You have your brother's dowry, you say you want to buy now. Where's the cash?
I have two.
Eh? Save me see trouble.
When you go back me up. When you go back me up. See, we've been dancing for many years now.
Thank you so much, ADC, for having us. It was a beautiful show. Make sure you follow us at the lunch table in Towson. Yo.
No matter who you are, just taking this food for thought. We at the lunch table.
Davy J the Virgo.